Hi dear friends, today I have an interesting gardening DIY project to share with you. It's for apartments that have no space to put any flower pots. So this one I guess you will like. Well, let's start the project. You may need a couple of items. Succulents of your choice. I was using different types of skins. This one is an eggshell, some pistachio shells. I was using sunflower seed skin, whatever. This succulent has become almost a water lily because it's in this jar with the water for about 6 months. The baby succulents started growing after the big ones died. Besides the succulents, you will need some containers. I'm going to use either these galvanized ones that I purchased from 99-cent store. I may use also this one, and I may use some of my shells that I have been buying, collecting. This one I got from Santa Monica Pier. These two I got it from somewhere else. Also, I will use these rocks that I've gathered during one of my hiking trips. I may use some of this, the green glass pebbles and rock pebbles. I'm going to use this simple potting mix. Let's start from the smallest project, and that one will be planting into a shell. This one. If you don't want to damage the inside of the shell, you may use plastic wraps. Now I'm putting this plastic wrap inside my shell. Now that my plastic wrap is sturdy because I placed some scotch tape here and here and here, I'll use some of these green pebbles on the bottom. In order to have a good drainage, I added potting mix on top of the pebbles. Now I will water this and then add my succulents. I chose to add this one because it gave roots here. Hope you can see it. I will place this one in the middle like so. So two of them will be seen. They look like rosebuds. I'll add one of these small cute ones. See, I cut from one side. 3 of them I guess are enough for this shell. Well, I've watered it again and then added this palm tree looking one which is alone, but hopefully pretty soon it will give a baby. Let's continue with the rest of the project. For extra prettiness and a pop of color, I decided to add my eucalyptus berries or seeds, or I don't know what are these called, but I got them from a eucalyptus tree and dried them. Now they look like berries. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you are new to my channel. See you in my next gardening video. Bye bye.